Switzerland looks peaceful, quiet, and almost impossibly perfect. But beneath the calm surface lies a hidden architecture that the world's richest people rely on to protect, multiply, and hide their fortunes. Today, we're uncovering 7 secret rules, the exact structural advantages that quietly transformed Switzerland into the safest playground for the global elite. Prepare yourself. Some of these rules are so strategic, so mathematically precise, that once you see them, you can't unsee them. The rule of radical privacy for over a century, Switzerland has operated on one principle: your money says nothing. And so do we. Bank secrecy may have weakened legally, but the culture of privacy is still ironclad. Private bankers are trained to treat client information as sacred, almost like state secrets. This environment creates something billionaires crave more than money itself: invisibility. The rule of political neutrality. Switzerland hasn't been in a war since 1815. That stability builds trust, and trust attracts wealth. Billionaires think like this: why leave my assets in a country that could collapse, fight, or elect a radical government next year when I can put them in Switzerland, where nothing ever changes? Neutrality equals predictability, and predictability is priceless. The rule of ultra-stable currency. The Swiss franc is one of the strongest and most stable currencies on Earth. While other economies inflate, crash, or devalue, the franc holds firm. This makes Switzerland the financial equivalent of a nuclear bunker. People don't just store money here. They store certainty. The rule of elite infrastructure. Perfect trains, perfect airports, perfect roads. But the true wealth advantage is invisible: legal, tax, and financial infrastructure engineered for high-net-worth individuals. Family offices, wealth engineers, private asset guardians, multi-layered trust structures. Switzerland doesn't just host rich people, it optimizes them. The rule of low-drama taxes. Switzerland isn't a tax haven. It's something smarter: a tax optimizer. Each canton region sets its own tax rates, so billionaires can literally shop for the perfect tax environment. The wealthy don't want zero tax. They want stable, predictable, negotiable tax. Switzerland gives them exactly that. The rule of elite discretion. Here's something most people don't know. In Switzerland, wealth is never flaunted. Private jets land silently. Ultra-rich students attend normal schools. Luxury is invisible by design. Switzerland protects the wealthy partly by helping them blend in. The rule of quiet power. The Swiss economy is built on trust, precision, and long-term thinking. This creates an environment where wealth compounds safely, not explosively, but relentlessly. It's not flashy. It's not loud. It's mathematically inevitable. That's why Switzerland isn't just a home for billionaires. It's where billionaires go to stay billionaires. If you want to understand how the wealthy truly operate, follow the systems, not the stories. And Switzerland might be the most perfectly engineered system of them all.